Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. We'll be looking at a Max Olympiad problem. So the question is given: how many distant order pairs x comma y comma z satisfy the equations x plus 2y plus 4z equal to 12, xy plus 4yz plus 2xz is equal to 22, xyz is equal to 6. So as you are going to solve this problem before starting, pause the video and try it. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. Ma. So here some logic is there in this problem. That's why this is selected. So here x, y, z, x2, y, 4z, xy, 4yz, 2xz is equal to 22 given, xyz equal to 6 given. Let us take this as 1, 2 and 3. Now, how to solve this? So here the logic is first we have to take let a is equal to x, b is equal to 2y, and c is equal to 4z. So if a, b, c are these three values, so the first equation will become, then first equation will be a plus b plus c is equal to 12. Now what about second equation? So second equation means here you have to multiply with the 2. So multiplying 2 on both sides, 2xy plus 4yz plus 2xz is equal to 2 into 22. So here what will get 2xy plus 8yz plus 4xz is equal to 44. So here you can write it as x into 2y plus 2y into 4z plus x into 4z is equal to 44. Now the second equation will change as, after multiplying AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 44. So let us take this as 4 and this as 5. Now what about the third equation? So xyz is equal to 6 given now. xyz is equal to 6. This one we have to convert into ABC. So to convert that you have to multiply with 8. 8 xyz is equal to 8 into 6. Why you are multiplying with 8? You will get the idea. So x into 2y into 4z is equal to 48. So here this can be written as now ABC is equal to 48. Let it be 6. Now let A comma B comma C are the roots of a polynomial, or the roots of a polynomial with p p cube minus 12p square plus 44p minus 48 equal to 0. Now here you have to find the roots of this polynomial. So here by trial and error, if p is equal to 2, p is equal to 1, it won't satisfy. 2 cube minus 12 into 2 square plus 44 into 2 minus 48, you have to get 0. 8 minus 12 4 48 plus 88 minus 48. So 96 minus 96, you are getting 0. So how to find the remaining roots? By Horn's method, 1 minus 12, 44 minus 48. So here 2, 0, 1, here 2, minus 10, here minus 20, you will get 24, plus 48, you will get 0. So here p square minus 10p plus 24 you are getting. Now the factors of this, p square minus 6p minus 4p plus 24, p into p minus 6 minus 4 into p minus 6, p minus 6 into p minus 4. So what are the values of p now? P is equal to 3 or 6 or 4. So these are the values of A, B, C. Now I am writing in a tabular form so that we can get easily. So here you'll get 6 cases, 6 distinct ordered pairs you'll get. So here first of all I am writing A is equal to, sorry, first here 2, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 6. So here I am writing 6 order pairs and 6 distant values will get A is equal to 2, B is equal to 6, C is equal to 4. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 6. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 6, C is equal to 2. Next, A is equal to 6, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 2. A is equal to 6, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 4. So here A value is x, B value is 2y, C value is 4z. Now here I am writing x value, y value and z value. So here you have to find the values of x, y, z. Okay. Now here x value 2, y value 4 by 2, again 2, z value 6 by 4 will get 3 by 2. Here 6 by 4 will get 3 by 2. Second one, x value 2, y value 6 by 2, you will get 3, and z value 4 by 4 will get 1. Now here a value means x value 4, y value 1, z value 3 by 2. Next x value 4, y value 3, z value 1 by 2. X value 6, y value 2, z value 1 by 2. X value 6, y value 1, and z value 1. So these are the 6 values, 6 distant ordered pairs you are getting which satisfy the given equation. I hope you understood the question. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.